this is the Apple Pencil, and today we're going to be doing a first impressions and unboxing video. And if you didn't know what the Apple Pencil is, it is a tool that can be used to draw and write on the Apple iPad. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we have the Apple Pencil, we have scissors, and yeah, let's get this thing open. So this isn't brand new. I got it off eBay, but it did say opened, never used, so just take off the wrapping. Alright, that's for you ASMR guys, and let's unveil the Apple Pencil. Oh, so it slides out the bottom like this. Designed by Apple in California. Get this nice package like that. Lift it. So we get a replaceable nib, and I think that's a USB-C to Lightning adapter so that you can charge it. Oh, I just saw it. Alright, then we take off. Got a, I think that's an instruction manual from Apple. Or how to set up guides, so we'll try not to use that because we want to be as easy as follow as it can. But as we lift off the casing, it unveils the glorious Apple Pencil. And you can see wrapped right there. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's actually quite hefty, the Apple Pencil. Bit heavier than I thought it would be, but yeah, this is the Apple Pencil. Brand new, gleaming, and yeah, let's test it out. So if you were to ask me if the Apple Pencil was worth it, I would 100% say yeah. Any creatives out there looking for a really great value accessory and that are really into graphic design or art or anything really, then yeah, the Apple Pencil is a good buy, and I've made a couple of animations and art that I'll probably show you at the end of the video. So yeah, I think it's an awesome buy if you have an iPad, and you should get one, especially when you use it with apps like Procreate, which you can draw and animate on.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up.